So I got it here, a GMC 2000 Savannah 3500, and this is just a quick video to show the thermostat. So it seems like mine's not working, which I just took it off. Over here, you see it's in the open position, and I believe that's where the problem is, because the car did not want to heat up. And so I'm guessing it's stuck in the open position, and so the car could not heat up. And here's a new one. See, it's in closed position. So what we have to do is take off the cap for the air intake, and then this right here, the mass airflow sensor with this hose, you take it off also. And then over this right here, this is what goes over the thermostat, which was right in there. So it's under where the mass airflow sensor goes here. It's right under over there. And so there's just two bolts to unscrew it, and then it should just pop off. And so, I mean, some people, they probably drain the fluid, but I just left mine, and so I think it's not that big of a problem. And just make sure it's not too hot. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna change it, put it all back in, and hopefully that was a problem. Also, another thing I just wanted to mention, over here, that's the clip for the hose to take it off, and I kind of moved it, which I probably shouldn't have done. I actually just left it how it was, and because it works just fine. I mean, you don't have to take it off or anything. You just kind of pick it up, and because when I take it off, it started dripping and stuff. So hopefully when I put it back on, the dripping is gonna stop. So I just wouldn't even touch that clamp. I would just unscrew the bolts and just put it up.